For 5 years, there has been a hole at the very center of Apple's professional lineup. We've seen the Mac Studio dominate the desk. We've seen the Mac Pro Tower struggle to find its identity in the Silicon era. But for the true purists, the ones who remember the obsidian beauty of the 2017 iMac Pro, something has always been missing. We've been forced into a world of cluttered cables, separate monitors, and modular compromises. But the drought is over. In the labs of Cupertino, the ultimate all-in-one has been resurrected. This is the story of the 2026 iMac Pro, the most powerful, most beautiful, and most controversial computer Apple has ever built. If you are watching this, you are likely at a crossroads. You're tired of the 24-inch iMac's toy-like aesthetic, but you aren't ready to commit to the five-figure price tag of a full Pro Display XDR setup. You want the one-cable dream. In this video, we are going to dive into the architecture of a machine that shouldn't be possible. We are going to explore the 32-inch 7K display that is redefining visual fidelity, the M5 Max and M5 Ultra chips that are obliterating desktop benchmarks, and the secret vapor chamber cooling system that keeps this razor-thin beast silent. This is the deep dive into the machine that will finally make you throw away your MacBook and your Mac Studio. Let's start with the why. Why now? In April 2026, Apple is celebrating a half-century of thinking different. The 2026 iMac Pro isn't just a product launch, it's a victory lap. For years, the bottleneck was heat. You couldn't put ultra-class power behind a display without melting the glass. But with the transition to the 2nm M5 architecture, the laws of physics have been rewritten. The M5 Max isn't just a chip. It's a 90 billion transistor marvel that sips power while crushing 8K video exports. By utilizing the new Fusion architecture, Apple has managed to integrate the power of a workstation into a chassis less than 20 millimeters thick. But the real headline, the thing that will make every creative professional in America stop in their tracks, is the display. We're moving beyond 5K. The 2026 iMac Pro features a 32-inch 7K Ultra Retina XDR panel. This is effectively a Pro Display XDR fused into the computer itself. But it's not just about the pixels. Apple has finally brought tandem OLED technology to the desktop. By stacking two OLED layers, they've achieved a sustained brightness of 1000 nits across the entire 32-inch canvas, with peaks of 1600 nits for HDR content. It is quite simply the best screen ever put on a consumer device. No blooming, no glowing, just infinite contrast and a 120 Hz per motion refresh rate that makes macOS feel like it's flowing through your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the dark mode aesthetic. The 2026 iMac Pro marks the return of space black. This isn't just a color, it's a statement. The entire chassis is machined from a single block of recycled titanium and aluminum, finished with a new molecular coating that is virtually immune to fingerprints. The bezels have been reduced to a uniform 5 mm and the chin, the famous iMac chin, is finally gone. The internal components have been moved behind the display, utilizing a new radial thermal venting system that pulls air from the bottom and exhausts it silently through the top. It looks like a piece of high-end furniture, but it performs like